We are in Moab, Utah, here with my son Logan, Jeff Joyner here, and we decided today to rent a side-by-side UTV. We've been at it now for, I don't know, about an hour, 90 minutes or so, and pretty awesome. What do you think, Logan?
I don't know. In a way, it's crazier than I expected, but at the same time, less stressful and more fun. You'll see later on in the video when he asked me to take over, I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to. But as you can see, I'm very glad I did. We're having a ton of fun right now.
He's tearing it up. He said, "Do you want to drive again?" I said, "I'm having more fun watching you than I am driving myself," although it is pretty fun. There was a couple moments so far.
Yeah.
And this is the easy trail. We're on fins and things. We're going to be riding Hell's Revenge here in a little bit. But a couple times when I'm like, "Oh, I don't think we can go down that," and he's like, "Yeah, we can."
Yeah, it's vertical.
That's awesome. All right, stay tuned. More footage to come.
All right, we're on our first trail of the day, fins and things. My dad's on the road. I asked him to drive first so that way I could get a feel for it. It's pretty wild.
All right, Logan behind the wheel.
Whipping it.
Yep. All right. Up that hill.
Oh boy.
Right up there.
Yeah, that's okay.
Straight up.
We'll like get up there and stop and see what's there.
You want the harder option or the easier option?
Easier option, preferably.
Harder option.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Alright. You're good, see? Yeah, you can see. I think instead of going straight down here, you're going to want to go right here and down. Yeah. As opposed to... And up there, I guess? Or?
To the right?
Yeah. You think? Or straight? Yeah, it's got to be.
Okay, whatever you said. Yeah, I think that would like absolutely mess up the axles.
Maybe. Alright, and then straight up here, I think. Yep.
Yeah, this one's probably the best. It's really steep.
What in the world?
Yeah, as long as we just square it up on this side, it won't be that bad.
Are you serious? There you go. just did Fins and Things, getting ready to do Hell's Revenge. All right, enough with the easy stuff. Now, Hell's Revenge.
This is about to turn into a found footage video.
Look at this. God. I don't think on the video you can see how steep and crazy and narrow this is.
This is literally right at the entrance too.
Drop-offs on either side.
Can't think about it. Seems like it automatically kind of slows down for you.
Yeah.
Kind of like two-way traffic. That's scary. It's slow. Yeah, go through. My bad.
Taking that? We taking that or going down? It looks like. Let's go.
I mean, if it wasn't easily rideable, they would have it blocked off.
They wouldn't have. Be like tracks. Yeah, there we go.
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
All right, Logan, nice. Do you see where we're headed?
Yeah. Down and then up and up and up and up and up.
Dang. See the scrapes.
Oh yeah. steering wheel to see where I'm going. Straight ahead! It's over.
almost no chance of these tipping over backwards.
Yeah.
It's tipping side to side. If it's going to tip, that's how it's going to tip.
Yeah.
If it was arrows, I'd say that can't be the path. Going up. Right? We gotta get out low. Yeah. That way? Take it slow.
I can only take it to
Yeah,
the
you're
flow.
good, you're good. Dude. All right, every once in a while, we're like, stop to like get out here and take a look. What do you think, Logan?
Left side.
It's looking steep as can be. All right. Logan, coming up on a big hill here. What are you thinking?
To the left.
All right, we're about halfway through Hell's Revenge. What do you think?
Gosh, I don't know what to say. Got many cool shots going extremely steep up and then steep down. Some incredibly rocky roads, but very comfortable and smooth ride, especially with the vehicle we chose.
So this is the river overlook. There's another group looking over. Beautiful views. It's just unbelievable. We gotta get out and look sometimes because we thought we were going straight ahead, but is that a cliff?
I mean, we could go down there if we really wanted to, but it's pretty steep. Looks like it could damage our axles.
So the trail goes to the left there.
It goes either way. Can't even see it yet.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Locked in, gang.
I don't know if you can tell that we are.
Yeah, I don't think you can tell in the video. Alright.
Oh boy, this is the scariest looking one yet.
What was that? Is that a squirrel?
A squirrel or a marmot?
Yeah, I am good close to this car something.
No, you're good.
Whatever you say, Pops.
I don't think we have any options.
Yeah. steep.
So I think, yeah, for sure.
These are smooth there.
All right, we have finished our day. What an adventure. One of the coolest things I've ever done in my whole life.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
For sure. Thrilling. Some very stressful moments. Thought we were going to fall off some cliffs.
Yeah.
Like going straight down. Oh my goodness. What'd you think, Logan?
Oh, I had a blast. I feel like it went on for a tiny bit too long though, because as you can tell towards the end, I was just getting kind of over it. If you do want to do this, if it helps, I feel like it takes more courage than it does with like skill. Because like I've only been driving for like 2 years, and I was able to do that just fine. But yeah, it definitely takes some courage and a decent amount of like awareness to be able to make it down the hills. But yeah, I'd absolutely recommend it if you're in the area. It was really, really cool.
And this company we rented from is called High Point Hummer and ATV Sales. They did a great job, very professional, great equipment. We were happy with everything. The lesson for the day, my videos, Logan, you always have to have a lesson. When we got to the intersection, easy way, hard way. Your instinct was what?
Easy way.
Easy way. What do we choose?
Hard way.
The hard way. The hard way is always the better way. Rarely in life is there a sign that says easy way, hard way, but the hard way is where the adventure is.
Yep.
All right, we'll catch you next time, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye-bye.